guys! It's been a while since I've done a video, so since I'm cooking for a potluck today, I will show you guys how to make curry chicken fried rice. Now let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need 4 cups of jasmine rice, cooked and cooled, 2.5 cups of cooked diced chicken, 2.5 cups of green beans, cut and blanched, 3 large eggs scrambled, 3 stalks of green onion sliced and separated the green from the white, 1 medium yellow onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic minced. For the flavoring, you will need ½ tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. For the first step, you really want a hot wok, and you want to brown your garlic, onions, and the white part of your green onion. The next step, you want to add your rice. You kind of want to be very careful not to smash your rice. You actually want individual grains. So after 3 minutes of stir frying my rice, there are no large clumps of rice stuck together. So this is when you'll start adding your all your other ingredients. I have my chicken, my green beans, and my eggs. And you just want to mix it all together. So after about 2 minutes, all the ingredients are pretty well mixed together, and your rice still looks pretty pale at this point, but we're going to add our sugar, salt, curry powder, and your soy sauce. And you're going to mix well. So after 3 minutes of continuous mixing, I have no more big clumps of rice, and my rice has turned into a nice golden, yellowish, slightly brownish color. At this point, you want to taste your rice, and if you feel like it needs more seasoning, go ahead and add it at this point. But it's perfect to me, and it's done. And there you have it, guys. Curry chicken fried rice. Now it's time to give this recipe a try. Oops. The crunchiness of the green beans, along with the moist chicken and the soft chewy rice, it's a perfect combination. And the curry, it's not too spicy, but it offers enough kick to the rice. Delicious. I hope you guys will try. Thanks for watching.